Hey Glow family, I'm Sharon, and welcome back to Glow and Grow, where we nourish our skin and our souls. Today, I'm showing you how to create your very own whipped body butter for skin that's soft, hydrated, and absolutely glowing. This easy natural DIY will leave your skin feeling luxurious, and you only need a few simple ingredients. Ready to glow from head to toe? Let's dive in. First, here's what you'll need. 1/2 cup shea butter, 1/2 cup cocoa butter or mango butter, 1/2 cup coconut oil, 1/2 cup sweet almond oil or jojoba oil, essential oils for fragrance like lavender, vanilla or rose, a hand mixer or stand mixer, a heat-proof bowl and saucepan for double boiling, clean dry containers to store your body butter. Step 1. In a heat-proof bowl, gently melt your shea butter, cocoa butter, coconut oil and sweet almond oil over a double boiler. Stir occasionally until everything is silky and melted together. Step 2. Remove from heat, pour into your mixing bowl and pop it in the fridge for about 1 hour, until it's firm but not rock solid. Now comes the fun part, whipping. Use your mixer to whip the mixture for 5-7 minutes until it's fluffy and airy, just like whipped cream. Step 3. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oils. I love lavender for relaxation, but you can totally customize it. Give it one final mix. Scoop your whipped body butter into clean, dry containers. Store them in a cool, dry place. And just like that, you have a luxurious handmade treat for your skin. Your skin is going to love this. Soft, moisturized, and naturally glowing. If you loved this DIY, don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell for more skin-loving recipes here on. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.